To analyze one of the NFL's top offensive weapons, we recruited last season's leader in receiving yards, T.Y. Hilton. What do you feel is your single strongest attribute?
Probably my speed. Gotta be hands down my speed.
To test that speed, we ask Hilton to sprint 20 yards, and we'll measure each phase of his acceleration using infrared timing gates. In his first attempt, Hilton clocks a mind-boggling time of just over 2.5 seconds. Not only does that shatter times we recorded from straight-line burners, Sammy Watkins and Brandon Cooks, but it also sets an all-time sports science record. One key to Hilton's sprinting biomechanics is his insane stride frequency. On average, each of his steps takes just 1/4 of a second to execute. That's quicker than the stride frequencies we measured from All-Pros Antonio Brown and OBJ.